Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Beauty of Divine Tarot, the only Iku from Divine. Today I'm back with a new pick a card reading after a bit long while. And this is a requested reading. Here you can pick your pile in two ways. One is that you can choose your initial. This is pile 1 and this is pile 2. And the other way is to choose the candle. Whichever color candle is attracting you, you can choose. And before you choose the pile, let me tell you what is the reading all about. This reading was a requested reading specially for students. It can be for students also, and it can be for anyone who has taken the exam and waiting for results, or if you have given any interviews and you're still waiting for results, or any other kind of tests, exams or interviews that you have given and you're waiting for the results, and or if you're waiting for any announcements, or if you are yet to go to any competitions, so this reading will be for you. In this reading, we'll see what will be the results, and if the results are good, what are the ways in which you can achieve that, or if your results are not up to the mark, what are the areas in which that you have to focus on. So this is the main theme of the reading. I hope you all have understood what the reading is all about. So I'll get you on your reading. Bye-bye. Hello pile 1. So whoever has chosen this pile, whose ever names start with these alphabets, or who has chosen this candle, this will be your reading. Let's check out how are your results. So this is not specifically for students, okay? So this will be the reading for anyone who has given any kind of tests or interviews or anything competitive that you're doing in your life, and this will be the reading for you to know what could be the results of that. Okay, so let's check out the interview. Okay. Friends, whoever has taken any exams, okay, this message is especially for school kids. Whoever has taken any exams or any other competitive exams, I am quite very sure that you will secure good results. Like, I can't say that you will be a rank holder. No, like maybe this is the first time that you are attempting for these kind of exams if you are taking any competitive exams. So of course it is important that you have to really work hard. Okay, with working hard you should also have to really focus on things like strategies, or you have to refer the previous year question papers so that you will have some idea about how the paper is actually formed. Okay, how is it actually framed. Okay, so if you have not yet taken the exams, please focus on these areas. Okay, you have to really be strategic. Just like that, studying all the time really doesn't work. Okay, so if you are a person who have already given the exams and you're waiting for the results, I can assure you that your results will be a good results. Okay, I'm not telling that you will have a very good placing, you will be a rank holder or something like that, again to be specified. So you will get the results as per your efforts. Okay, so if you're a person who has taken some interviews and you're waiting for the results of interviews, I would really suggest you to not stick on to one companies. I think you're a fresher. For me, it seems like each one of you here is a fresher. So my suggestion, the cards, whatever is suggesting you is, you have to really focus on the experience that you get from every interview. Okay, sometimes it so happens that being a fresher, you might be rejected from many places. So after getting rejected from many places, you will finally secure a good company and place, and I'm quite very sure it takes minimum 8 months from now. Okay, so keep trying, keep giving the interviews, and you will 100% come to a stage where you will know how to attend the interviews of which kind of companies. Means you will get that key to crack those interviews. Okay, so for now, if you have just given 1 or 2 interviews, you don't need to worry. Okay, now if you have given just 1 or 2 interviews, you don't need to worry. You still have many other opportunities coming your way in another 8 months. Okay, so don't be disappointed. Keep working, keep taking interviews. And one more thing that I would like to suggest you is, don't stick on to the companies. Okay, sometimes being a fresher, or even if you are an experienced person, if you just say you are very keen on joining some Infosys or Google or Microsoft or something like that, you really want to join a bigger companies, but you're not getting selected by those companies, then I think you have to really focus on the point, there will be a key point. I think you really need to focus on the element that the company is asking for. Okay, it's not that you're not a good employee, it's not that you're not an eligible person. You're forgetting what that particular company wants. Okay, you have to keep that into focus and start working. Okay, that is when you can crack those interviews. And the next message is for people who have given government exams. Okay, so of course when I say government exams, there is a waiting game. Okay, so you have to really wait. For now, I cannot really tell you that you can crack this exam or not, because it depends on the situation right now. Okay, this is again a pandemic time. There is a new wave of corona coming. There are new versions of corona coming. So here the things seems a bit uncertain. But you don't really have to get disappointed. Okay, because if not this year, at least within 2 or 3 years, I can see that you are entering into a government job. But you have a waiting game. You really have to wait for a bit longer, like more than what you expected. Okay, and while you're taking government exams, again, don't be very specific. Please take every exam that you can take. Okay, don't really stick on to, I have to get into civil services, so I'll take only this exam. I want to become UPS, or I'll take only this exam. Don't be clingy like that. Okay, please be a bit liberal with this and try to crack every exams. So anyone in that, if you attend at least 10, anyone in that, you will crack it and you will get appointed. Okay, once you enter into government, things really becomes easy for you to reach a higher position or to get official positions. Okay, and I can very much see you that you have the potential to reach a very highest authorities. So let's check out if there is any other guidance from the angels for you. Okay, please remember your favorite angels or favorite gods. You might also get any yes or no answer from here. So if you have any questions like that, you can also remember your questions. So let's check out what is the guidance for you from the angels. Ooh. Okay, I'm taking this. No need to worry. It is such a clear message, man. Let's check out one more card. One more card, please. Let go. Okay, so here what specifically the angels are trying to tell you is, even if you don't crack this particular exam or an interview or whatever it is, you don't need to really worry, because you have many other opportunities coming your way. You don't really have to get disappointed, because you have many other opportunities coming your way. Can you see the holy fire here? So things are getting purified for you. For right now, it might not be the right time for you to get it. So, but when you get it, you will get a very right, proper one. For now, don't really be worried for your results. Let it go. Let the divine handle the things. You have to just put your efforts, and that's it. Do 100% from your side and just wait for the other results. Okay? For now, things are still in a very tender stage for you. Okay, so it is still very tender. You still have a long way to go. Okay, so don't worry. So the main theme here is that you have to put efforts. You have to put your efforts. Without you putting your efforts, I really don't think anything can work. Okay, if you put your 100%, you don't really have to worry about the results. Even if it goes wrong, you still have many other opportunities coming your way. Okay, I can see the many opportunities coming your way. Okay, so this was your reading. I hope it has helped you. If it has helped you, please give a like, comment and subscribe. I'll get you on your next reading. Till then, bye-bye. Hello, pile 2. So whoever has chosen this candle and whoever name comes in this particular initials, let's see what is there in your results, exams. If you are given any interviews or any other exams or competitive exams, let's see what will be the results of that and areas in which that you have to really focus on to get a better results. Okay, let's check out. Okay, pile 2. So this is how your reading goes. If there are any kids or students, whoever has given any competitive exams or whoever has taken any kind of exams, so your result will be very much positive. It will 100% reach your expectations. Okay, you will get the results more than what you expected. You can consider that it's your blessings, it's also your luck. Okay, the luck factor is also included, and you will get the best results, and you will also make all your dream comes true. I can also see that if anyone has applied for any college out of city, out of country or something like that, if you're planning to go to abroad and study, for that you have given any exams, I can see that you're 100% cracking that exam, and you will be traveling within this year. Okay, within 2022, you will be in your dream college or dream company. Okay, I can also see there is a lot of popularity and satisfaction in whatever the exam that you have written. Okay, in whatever the college you join or in whatever the course you get into, you will have lot of satisfaction. Okay, I can see that, and I can also see that you're really very focused on your career and future. Really a good thing, but please don't forget your family as well. Okay, please keep in mind your family's financial status and position, and then only make your decisions. Okay, this is one of my guidance. I know it was a bit personal guidance that I was giving you, but yes, this is the guidance that you people have, because you academically, like study wise, your knowledge wise, you're doing it right. You're 100% perfect. Okay, this was something that you really had to focus on, so I gave you this guidance. So next, coming to people whoever has given the interviews, you will 100% crack this interview and you will get into your dream company. Okay, if you had been trying for a particular company, for the company since many days, or the particular position, I can also see the promotions for you. So if you were really waiting for anything new, anything in your greater in your life to happen, I can see that happening. Okay, because there is a great breakthrough. In fact, you yourself will be shocked that how did I get this? Do people really see me in such prestigious position? You will really start doubting your capabilities and capacities. Okay, doubting in the sense, it's not literally doubting. You will be like shocked. Oh my god, did this really happen? And so I can see that you getting into your dream designations or dream companies. Okay, you will 100% crack the interview that you had been giving since many years. Okay, and you'll also become very much financially stable and independent. Now, coming to the people who had given government exams, if there is anyone who has already given the exam and you were waiting for the results, I can see that you're cracking the exam and you will be shifting your city, because you are getting appointed within 7 months. This is so cool, no? Congratulations. Okay, I am really very happy for you that you will 100% be appointed. If you were especially if you had applied for some civil jobs, no, you will 100% be appointed within 7 months. Okay, if you were waiting since many days, or if there is anyone who has just now given the exams or still planning to take the exams, you can please go ahead. There will be a bit of waiting for at least 1 or 2 years. Okay, that you really have to wait, because there will be many processes. No, there will be prelims, mains, interviews, etc. So you have to really go through the process with a lot of patience, and I'm quite very sure you can crack this. I'm quite very sure you will grab this opportunity. Okay, if this is the case, then you will 100% get the job, but you will have to wait a bit more. Okay, if you are really trying for some higher-most jobs, higher-most authority, like officer things, or some some UPSC exams, there will be some higher-most positionary exams. So if you are really trying for that, please go ahead. You have a very good results in that. Okay, don't be scared, be confident. You are really capable, you are really very good at it, so go for it. Let's see. Actually, for this file, there are no much guidances. But still, let's check out with angels. You can also get yes or no, or the time duration. So ask any question if you have. Let's check out what angel says about this. What are the guidance for file 2? Ask your angels. Wait. Okay, let's check out the source. Okay. I had actually taken just 2 cards for the other pile. I don't know why extra cards are popping up for you. Okay. So as I told you, you have to really wait. Okay, maybe you have already waited. If you have already waited, I'm quite very sure that you will be getting the results, a good results, a best results, a dream results within a year. But if you have just now started with the process, then you 100% have to wait and believe in yourself. Only if you believe it. See, here also it is come like ask your angels. You are actually seeing this reading because you don't believe in the luck factor. You have given your 100%. You also know that you're capable of cracking all these exams, but still I think you're watching for this only for the sake of another confirmation. So yeah, this is a confirmation that yes, you will be cracking it. You have to believe in it. Okay, if not today, at least tomorrow. Okay, I can see that there are many other internal conspiracies that you might be facing, and that is the reason why you're getting this question mark, like, can I really get it or not? And so if that is the case, then yeah, if you believe in it, if you trust it, if you have really manifested for it, your luck is on your side. Your angels are with you. Okay, your angels are always there to guide you, so you don't really have to worry. You will have the victory this time. Okay, so yes, pile 2, your reading was actually very beautiful. I liked it. If you also have liked it, leave a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. I'll meet you on your next reading. Till then, bye bye.